So now suppose I've created a file with multiple layers, and these layers are organized into groups, and these layers have names. I haven't written names actually, but you name them. And now I want to save this file with all the layers, with all the groups, with all the names, to be able to continue working on it later. So I always save all my working files. So this is the Photoshop working file. So to save it, I just go here and say save as, and let me give it a name, because this is for this exercise, so I call it like this, and then I write my name here. Like in this case, I just write example. Okay, and then I save it. It asks me about compatibility. I maximize, that's all right. Okay. So now I have this file. When I close it, then I can go to File, Open, and find it, or I can go to Open Recent Files, and here it is. So when I click on it, as you see, you still have all the layers here, and you can continue working on them. But now for uploading it to web, on the web I'm not able to view Photoshop files, so you have to save each of these layers separately as another image for web. So the way you do it is you just like activate one layer, and then you say File, Save As, and go, and instead of Photoshop here, you select JPEG. This is a file format which is for viewing. And then I add here like example, and I like say just one in this case, because I have no names for the emotions. Okay, emotion 1, and save it as JPEG. Yeah. So it will ask me what quality I want. I say like, let me select just maximum quality. Yes, here I can like, so save it in high quality. Okay. So then I just hide this layer, and I show this one, and then I say again File, Save As, and instead of Photoshop, JPEG again, and here I will call it like Emotion 2, save, and so on. I will like save each of these versions separately. So then when I go to open, and I will find here, I have these Emotion 1 and Emotion 2 files here. Let me open those. Let me select both of it and open it. So now I have 1, 2, and 3 files, and as you see, like in this file, there's just one layer. It's a JPEG file. There are no layers. I can upload this to web, and everybody will be able to see it. Okay, then I have this other one, which is also just one layer and has a name. And then I have the Photoshop files where I have all the layers. So this is my working file. These files are for demonstration. So that's it. Please do it that way.